Hi honeys, how are you guys doing today? It is currently Monday and your girl is out. It's Ade's last day here, so I wanted to hang out a little bit before he heads out. So I'm with the crew today, so you guys come say hi. Hi. Yeah, girl. So it is Ade's last morning. Want to get coffee or drinks for them since they don't drink coffee? I don't want to hear it.
I'm gonna miss my girls.
Listen, no, it's been a good time, but yeah, guys, that's
You better come visit. Don't be telling them you're staying.
No. Listen, I'm going to be visiting Houston soon. But yeah, I'll check in with you guys later. Bye. I'm going to use this on whichever one you want to use. You too, bye. Hi y'all, so we just dropped off Ade and he's currently on his way back to Houston. It was so great having him around. Like I told you guys, he's one of my favorite people, and to have him close by these days is actually a good thing. I'm definitely going to be visiting Houston soon. But anyways, I went home, freshened up a little bit, and now I'm heading to Laser Away. I am doing my first underarm and Brazilian laser session. I've done laser on my face before, so I know how it feels. I know what to expect. Plus the face treatment that I did earlier in the year was also laser, so I know what to expect for, you know, any kind of face treatments, but not in the underarm or anywhere else. So I'm going to be sharing some of that experience with you guys. I'll tell you guys what to expect when I get back. Plus, this is my first local collab here in Austin. This is a collaboration, so basically they're gifting me the sessions and I just get to tell you guys about it and give my experience both here on the vlog and on YouTube. So that is making me really happy because my goal is to cement myself here in Austin. So this being the first one, it's just like perfect. That's only, once again, less than a month, so lots of firsts. Anyways, y'all, let us go do this appointment so I can give you all the feedback. Good, how are you?
Are you excited for your treatment?
I am.
Let me show you around and
Okay.
okay?
Perfect.
So, these are going to be our treatment rooms. Today you will be in room 2.
Okay.
So, this will be your room.
Perfect.
And, so yeah.
Oh, this looks so good.
Just change into a robe right here that's ready for you.
Okay.
You'll be able to just change into this.
Perfect.
And then afterwards, put your little goggles on and then wait for your clinician, and your clinician will be with you shortly. Feel free to ask her any questions as well. Okay?
Sounds good. Thank you so much.
Yeah, have a good rest of your treatment.
Thank you.
Any medications or any antibiotics in the past 2 weeks? I'm assuming no sun exposure, she hasn't been or anything like that. Okay, perfect. Water sunscreen today too. Okay, absolutely. Well, yes, absolutely. So I'll give you a second to kind of wipe off your
Alright y'all, so I just left laser away and that was such a good session. Like I told you guys, I've done laser before, but I wasn't sure what to expect because of the areas I was working on. But it was pretty much painless. Like I barely felt anything. I don't know, the machine had like the air connected to it directly, and I mostly felt the air than I felt any of the, like, you know, pinching of the thingy. So that was really good. Plus the staff was amazing. Like I spent an extra 50 minutes after my session just chatting with them because they were so great. One of them was a Virgo and the other was a Pisces, so we got along pretty well. But yeah guys, I really enjoyed that session. I'm glad that I get a couple more packages so I can go back. I haven't talked about maybe doing Clear and Brilliant Palmer again, which I've done on my skin, but I need a new one. Like I need a new set. We're gonna see what happens from there, but for now, let's get into the rest of the day.
Skirt all niggas, skirt up all niggas, skirt down, you acting like me, acting like we wasn't more than a summer.
Hi y'all, as you guys can tell, I am at the airport, and why am I at the airport, you ask? It is because I am going home to surprise my family. So my nephew's birthday was 2 days ago on the 18th, and my sister kept asking me if I was gonna come home, and I kept saying no, but she didn't know that I was planning a quick surprise. So it is currently the 20th. I didn't want to go on the exact day because I wanted to fall on a weekend so we can have more time to do stuff. But yeah, I'm going home today just to celebrate with him. It's my first nephew that I have this close, so it doesn't make sense that I won't be there to celebrate his first birthday, which is a big deal, even though he will remember it. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I have been up since midnight, so it's gonna be a long day as usual, but we move. And once I get to Minneapolis, I'm gonna do some shopping and get him some gifts because I didn't get him gifts before then. So I'll see you guys soon, and I'll check in when the surprise happens. This doesn't look good on me, but really cute, but this 12 months, or this is 18 months, but I think it runs pretty small. So I think I'm gonna get this 24 months because I like how it's like a cute set. Guys, this is so cute. It has a little hat. This is so cute. Oh my god. This or this? I think I'm gonna go with this because of the hat. Because of the hat. The clothes here are running a little bit small. My nephew's a big baby, so I'm having to pick things in the 24 month size, 24 and 18 months. So I got this one in 24 months, and I also got this one in 24. And I got this one because it's getting cold, and I want him to have something like warm and snuggly that he can wear if we want to go out or anything like that. So yeah, I'm gonna take these two pieces, and then I'm gonna head to the toy section and get him something fun. Alright, so I finished from Toys R Us. I got those gifts that I showed you guys. I got an extra toy and then the 2 outfits. But I just got to my sister's apartment, and luckily I came when the delivery guy came, so I was able to sneak in with him so I didn't have to buzz. But now it's time to go to the door and surprise her, so let's get to it. Happy birthday, dear Kamsi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kamsi. Alright guys, so yesterday was Kamsi's birthday. Say hi! Say hi! Yesterday was Kamsi's birthday and we had so much fun, but today we're having a family day out before Auntie Ella leaves. Auntie, say hi! No, everyone is having such a good time, but Auntie's leaving and I'm gonna miss the food. Yes! Anyways guys, I'll check in with you guys soon. Bye! Get into BTS because one thing about us, we're gonna get a picture. Okay? Alright, y'all, so this is what it's looking like so far. I think we're about 3 hours in, so she's going quick and it's only her today. I got the French curls because I wanted the curly ends. I'm gonna tell you guys about the hairstyle later on, but it's coming together, and I feel brand new. Okay, the skin is looking clear already. Okay y'all, so I am done with my hair. I'm gonna give you guys a closer view when I have better lighting, but I just realized that I'm close to my old stomping grounds where I used to get my brows done, so I figured why don't we get our brows done here, because it's been a while I threaded, so it's gonna be, kind of a throwback. I'm saying, no, I haven't threaded in a while actually, because the last time I waxed for my birthday, and then the time before that I also waxed, so it's been a while. But yeah guys, for nostalgia's sake, let's go get my brows threaded.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high.
Hi y'all, so I am coming to you guys from another day in Winnipeg. Like I said, I'm here to surprise my nephew for his birthday, and we had the birthday party. It was really great. Now I'm having a day out with my sister. We want to do some shopping. I also want to take back the sunglasses that I got earlier, so yeah, that's a plan. We're having a mini sister day. It's gonna be so fun because we just want to hang out and chat and just chill. Say hello. All right, so we're just gonna walk around, probably have some coffee and just chill. Wait, my sister is saying it is fall it's winter in October.
It is winter in October.
It is not. This is how
it's snow outside. It is winter.
Winnipeg gets snow really fast, and we haven't gotten snow in Austin yet. But this is her first winter, and my good sister is struggling.
You're saying it's my first winter. There's no fall in Winnipeg.
My good sister is struggling, but you know what? We move. It's your first one very soon. It's gonna be okay.
Okay. Till then.
I said, skirt all niggas, skirt up all niggas, skirt down, you acting.
Guys, so you know how I said I was gonna go return something, right? So I went to return the sunglasses, and every time I try to return something, why do they always treat you like a thief? Like, Lily, did you see the way they're looking at us? She was asking me so many questions. I'm just like, girl, if I bought the glasses, don't you think I can return them? Like, be so for real. Like, I just hate when brands do that. Like, people can return things, people can change their mind. Like, relax.
Just say no refunds, no exchanges.
No, but I can return. Like, it's not my first time returning. That pissed me off so much. But anyway, the music here, so I'm gonna hang up.
I said farewell, you took it well. Promise I won't cry, bust the milk. Very cute. Give me another bell. I
think black. You're rocking black today. Really cute. Yeah.
when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you got a woman?
Hi y'all, so it is officially my last day in Winnipeg, and before I leave I want to go get my nails done because I've been working my natural nail for a while now and it's cute, but I'm an acrylic girl, so it's time to get that together. Guys, I love that I'm in Winnipeg because that allows me to like explore winter fashion and fall fashion a little bit sooner because Winnipeg gets cold faster. So I'm wearing this, my favorite coat is this brown coat I got from Zara, I think last year or the year before. It's so cute, and I think I'll do like a full outfit later for you guys, like a full OTD, because I think I really like this palette. But yeah guys, let us head to the nail salon.
I remember when we started texting. I was playing it cool, you was flexing. I know I wasn't the only one you messed with, but it was good. I was on to the next one. I remember when you started checking up, boy, you must have learned your lesson. Trying to tell me how I always was a blessing. Stayed in the LAS, but you guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga. I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all the mother hoes wasn't about you.
Alright y'all, so I just got back from getting my nails done. I really love them. Look at how cute they are, so cute. Anyways, I think I'm gonna wrap up this vlog here tonight because I leave tomorrow morning and I don't think I'm gonna have time to check in at the airport. But this trip was so nice because I got to hang out with family, chill with friends, reconnect. It was such a good, you know, TLC that I really needed. But that's all for this vlog. I'll check in with you guys next week. Bye honeys.